Hey guys, it's Eric RPG, and I've taken on the other levels of Sigma, but now I'm going to do the last level and then the final battle of Sigma. It's been a while since I last recorded, but that's okay. Well actually, this upload will be not too far off from the last upload, but I did record this before, but due to errors, the audio didn't turn out right, so I'm redoing this. I should have done a Hadouken. Oh well. And we get a boss fight already. And it's Spark Mandrill. Oh wait, this is the Armadillo. Mandrill later. There we go. And he's down. Oh, I never did do the... Maybe I did do the big charge. And I don't need to pick that up, but it's there in case you need it. You need the E-cutter. I don't think I did a charge for this yet. I'm gonna show it off. That's what it does. Although I waited too long. So I'll have plenty of that left for later. Come on, there we go. I'd rather do that than on the fly. Haha. Timing it so that he'll always get stuck is kind of difficult. On to the next one. Alright, we're gonna pull out the E-cutter so we can cut off his tentacles again. Oh, there we go. Took a lot of hits there, but that's okay. Needed that pickup. Now we get to fight Mammoth. There he goes. Even though it's supposedly far less dangerous without his trunk, I think he's far more, because then I'll just spew fire at you. And here's the boss of the level. You might want to save here, just in case. I'm going to use this weapon on him. Probably gonna run out. That's okay. I've got Buster I can use. Level over. Only one more. 2 boss fights, really. That's all it is. Let's see if I can't defeat the first boss with the Hadoken. You're supposed to use Shotgun Ice. But, oh well. If I can't do it, then I'll do it the hard way. I don't want to climb up that again. Very impressive. Of course. Gotta feed his doggy, even though it's a robot and robots don't need to eat. Ah, well, there it goes. I tried. Getting it to work is difficult. This is why I hate this boss. Excellent job. Almost as good, huh? Regret having to fight him. Oh, he's pulled a lightsaber, so he thinks he's a Sith Lord. So, yay, Sith Lord. So what you want to do is you want him to jump up here, get up really high, then drop down. course, getting the timing down is a lot harder than it seems. Gotcha! Now we're moving on to the second phase. Well, I guess it's more like a third, if you think about it. Oh, he's going to a giant robot, and now he's just ahead. That's kind of funny. And we gotta make sure we don't screw up here. Each shot counts. You have to use this weapon on him. If you don't, well then, you've got to start over. Watch out for the lightning bolts. And, yeah, it's kind of hard to tell when he's going to do that. And it's hard to avoid those electrical things. And I better heal up before I regret it. That's a good time to save. I don't think I hit him that time, but I could be wrong. Oh boy. I tried to avoid that one. See, this is what makes this fight difficult more than anything. I could have sworn that was going to work. My dashing was unresponsive. Ugh. I've only got one E-tank left. Sometimes you can't just... this is terrible. This is not going right. Come on! Finally! Kind of mad at his mercy here. Just gotta hope the AI script works in your favor. And he's down. I hope you enjoy the ending to this game. No! It's not possible! Well, I beat you, so it is. Because you're destroying things and they had to stop you? Yeah, in the age of your choosing and you're a homicidal maniac, I don't think so. Castlevania blow up. Load bearing boss, yay. Total ripoff. Well, of course, in the classic Mega Man series, this sort of happened starting with Mega Man 4. With a big giant mushroom cloud out of Wily's castle blowing up. Yeah, that was fun times. I really like this track. he doesn't like the fight because he's much more of a pacifist. And this actually becomes a plot point in X7, even though X7 canonically shouldn't exist, because Inafune didn't make that game. I think he was an advisor for it, but he wasn't on the design team really. He'll keep on fighting for 8 more games and 1 spin-off. Oh, well, I guess the Game Boy Color games are also spin-offs, so that's like 3 spin-offs. Oh yeah, and I was wrong about that. What the ROM hack did. All it did was it altered the text. So I think it fixed up some grammar issues or something, or cleared a couple things up that weren't in the original version. And I was thinking of Vava being in the original Game Boy Color Mega Man Extreme. They, for some reason, called him Baba in one of the versions that had an English script. I don't know if it was the American version though. Here's the cast. Too bad we can't see what any of these look like. We're just supposed to guess. Or maybe they're shown in order that you see them in the level. Death Row Goomer. Diglabor. English. Baton Bone. Planty. Axe Max. Mad Pecker, hehe. Bow Spider, Ranga Banga, D-Rex, and Vulgator. Here's the Mavericks that we fought. Or Irregulars. Most annoying boss just because. He can go into phases where it's just ridiculous. And he won't stop diving at you. FunETman is also annoying. And Boomer Kwonga is also annoying because he keeps teleporting. Especially if you're just using the Buster. And there's Vile. Sigma. Where's Sigma's dog? You put Sigma's dog on here? Screw you. And you as X, even though it says Mega Man X, which is technically incorrect, because he's really just X. And just sit here for a bit. Here's the staff that made the game. Of course, all the designers for the game are all nicknamed, or there's only the first name, Tatsunoko. Tatsunoko vs. Capcom? No. Elf. Dr. Coon. Professor F. Honolulu Yama, haha. I don't know if I saw Infa King on here. Yeah, that'd be Inafune. He's called Infa King in a couple games. I wasn't looking closely enough. Thanks for playing! And if you wait on the screen long enough, just after this music's done playing its current verse, I guess, you'll see something happen. So yeah, my next game will be Holy Umbrella, and yeah, it's going to be a blind run, well, semi-blind. I kind of played ahead. So I'll be starting over and replaying a portion that I've already played. Oh, what's going on? You've won a temporary victory, X. What you destroyed is only a temporary body. My spirit remains intact. Time to flatten other bodies, because remember, he's a virus. So that's what he did when he became a head and attached to the wolf thing. Although I don't know how he got himself up there. Maybe the wolf machine has like some kind of magnet that pulls his head into it. So yeah. Next game, Holy Umbrella. It's an action RPG. And technically you could call this an RPG because you're finding items, so you're slowly getting stronger. In the same way Demon's Crest was an action RPG, I guess, but or Super Metroid. But yeah, after, I don't know if I'll have time, but I'm going to try to maybe record it like on Monday and then pre-record it before I start with Holy Umbrella, so I'll have it ready for Halloween. But I'm leaning towards Kid Dracula for the Game Boy, so look out for that. Maybe it'll be something completely different because, you know, trick or treat. So until then, see you guys. Bye bye.